Dealing with the Microsoft Foundation class. 71. Debug DLL runtime error interrupting your software. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this library conflict. Before we begin our Microsoft Foundation class 71 debug walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Microsoft Foundation class 71 debug, the specialized debug build of the MFC library for Visual Studio 2003. It implements deep memory leak tracking and UI object validation used during the software testing phase. If missing, older proprietary industrial software will crash citing a module failed to initialize error. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Reinstalling Visual C++ 2003 MFC Debug Lib is the most effective fix. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Microsoft Foundation class 71 debug. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Microsoft Foundation class 71 Debug DLL. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Microsoft Foundation class 71 debug. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Microsoft Foundation class 71 debug dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.